Right, unboxing the cordless electrical chainsaw. It is a knockoff from Dewalt. It takes a Dewalt battery, and let's get into it. So, it has, wow, a carrying case. Now this is your cheap Chinese stuff, mind you, but my God, I thought I was just getting the tool. So, that looks like a carrying case for all your stuff. Wow. It's got, I knew it came with 2 bars and 2 chains, which is a bonus. There's a chain for your 10-inch. There's a chain for the 12-inch. And this thing for the price, oh my gosh. That looks like your little hand guard. Let's put that together. There's your other little thing. We'll see. Little scrunch. Interesting. Very nice. Looks like a little oiler. Wow. Scabbard. Oh, this is the scabbard for the 12-inch bar, I guess, and then you can just, if you want to cut it for that. Wow. This is, for the money, I'm just, gloves. Look at this. Pair of gloves. I didn't know I was getting these. Didn't know I was getting this. Safety glasses. Wow. And then here's the unit. Little assembly required, but my lord, if this thing works for a little while, shoot. I like this little, right there's the little safety button. Owner's manual. And your 10-inch bar. Wow. Now, this was $89. $89. And the Dewalt brand was, 12-inch bar Dewalt was $189. And the Dewalt only came with 1 bar, 1 chain. I'm positive it didn't come with any gloves, oil, safety glasses, and it may not even came with a scabbard. It didn't come with a sharpener, but that's okay. I can find something. This looks like it takes a pretty small. I mean, $89. Looks like I just gotta put few of these things together here. Got a little oil gauge on the side. This goes, put it together with the 12-inch chain, and I gotta tell you, so far for the price, I am really liking this. This is, the chain tensioner went well. I really like that it has two nuts here instead of 1. Some of these real small ones come with 1, and that's just I'm very impressed for how cheap this is, $89. Let's plug in the battery. And I don't have oil in it, but you would, I don't think you'd ever burn any of these up, especially just even a short time. Because they don't move very fast, but let's see how this baby works right here. Oh wow, and it even tells you how much battery you have. That's nice. Okay, so loosened up a little bit right away. Let me see if I can fix that. Wow, I think it's gonna cut wood. 99%. There's a little, you gotta press that in to press the trigger, but that's very easy to do. It's right there. I know on some of them, some of the complaints I've heard from different things, and the lightness of this. God, this is so light. Now I don't have my oil in there, but my Lord, I'm impressed already. Cheapest chainsaw on Amazon. 2 bars, 2 chains. We'll check to see how it works. This carrying case is nice. Take this out and use this some other time. Got it put together in just a couple minutes. It's even got room in here for batteries if you need them. Look at that. I know this is cheap, but for the price, you can't quite beat it. Who knows how long this is going to be around. Look at that. Everything you need right there. So if you want to see how this works, watch for future videos. Thanks for watching Life Practical.